Hello, my name is Marina. I'm an ESL teacher from Moscow, Russia, and here is my short tutorial on how to use Rich Editor on Moodle. First, you have to click Add a new discussion topic, and fill in the required boxes. So the subject field is a required field. If you want, for some reasons, to skip it, you will not be able to do it because you see it's required. So let's put some subject here, for example, Rich Editor. Then you should click this toolbar toggle so that the toolbar appears. Here are many functions, many options, but most of them are familiar to you if you have used at least once some word editor or Pages. Then you should be familiar with most of these options. The one that I have found interesting for myself is taking a picture, which I'm going to show you now. So here it is. It says take a picture. Click on this icon, and here is myself, though not very good looking at the moment. You press take a picture. The picture is taken. Then you press upload and insert. Well, and now the picture has been successfully inserted in the message area. This can be helpful if for some reasons you want to insert the picture of yourself in your message. So thank you very much. Hope that this will be helpful for some of you.